Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Faith and this is Faith's Pulse. I'm a Nigerian living in Brisbane, Australia. And on my channel, I talk about meaningful living, travel, and general living tips here in Australia. It's a Saturday and we are looking to go out for groceries, but I also want to go to Ikea today to find another study chair. I'll put a picture of the old study chair that I currently have on the screen so you can see it's no longer comfortable for me. And I feel like when I bought the chair, I was only just very excited that it was pink. So now I want to change it into something more comfortable. I don't even mind if it's very official and if it's not like as pretty as pink or anything. I just want to get a new study chair that's comfortable and will make me want to actually sit down and study. I feel like anything that doesn't keep me comfortable just gets me away from my computer. So I'm trying to set up my study area to be very comfortable and conducive so I can actually study and finish my courses and my assessments and just send them in. Enough of the rambling. If you want to see what Ikea looks like here in Brisbane, if you want to also find out the place where you can get your furniture, flat packs, interior decor ideas, then you want to watch this video because Ikea has all that good stuff. If that sounds like something you'd love to see, then let's head off to Ikea together.
One time out of 10, 2 times won't you be mine? We just can't pretend. This love thing can take time. 3 times then I'm in. I heard through the grapevine.
Hi guys, so we've just gotten to Ikea to pick a study chair for myself. I'm gonna take you guys with me to see what we find here in Ikea and of course to show you guys what else you can see when you visit.
If you ever feel alone, cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second I'll be right there. Turn around, let it rain. Turn around and let it rain on me. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend. I feel blessed and free.
Look at this room, so beautiful. With the lights and everything. And the paintings on the wall.
You know that I wanna be good for you. You know that I wanna be good for you. I do. But sometimes someone was bad for me. Sometimes someone was bad. Oh, can't you see?
This is so beautiful.
I'm just being weak. I think you know that I care for you. I think you know that I care for you. I do. But sometimes I can't be there for me. Sometimes I can't be there, baby, can't.
So I'm basically looking for a study chair, but I see myself changing my mind because I'm so in love with this yellow chair and the green one and even this one. Oh my goodness. Do I get a study chair or do I get one of these? So good. This is so cool. So the green one is about 400. The yellow one is about 300 and this one is what, 350. And then this one 400.
Me like it every time you wake up, stunning with no makeup. Me like it how you call my name up, got me feeling way up. Me like it haters trying to break us, them know they can shake us. Me like it baby, me no chaser, get ready to take off. Okay, yeah, up and away we go. I can never find nobody like you, my baby. Oh, hit him one time, yeah. She no play no game, you know.
Hey guys, so I am in Ikea and off to look for study chairs, but the furniture here are just so beautiful and I feel like I might go home with a study chair and something else. Let's look around and see what we can find.
Yeah. She no play no game, you know. I can never find no hottie like you, my baby. Would you be my number one?
when you're working with children, these are the type of things that catch your eyes. I'm thinking to organize my resources like this. So blue, red, cars, accessories. This is so cool. And that's about $99. And then the trays are what, $5? Yeah, but this is a nice way to organize resources for children.
Won't you be my number one A, number one A, number one A, number one.
These are like bar stools and dining table chairs.
In trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me.
These are some of the single chairs that you can find. About $240, $250, $240, and this one's about $240 as well. Guys, I'm so confused.
Right, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances?
More chairs.
You like the fast life. You like to drive and get down and dirty. Act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me. You got me losing sleep.
Are you in workspaces? I'm in workspaces and I can see some chairs, some work chairs. Can you try and find me? Oh, have you been here already? Wow, this looks really good. I like this gray one. Try and find me. I'm in showroom 6. No, I passed 5 and then I'm in 6 now, but I'm really seeing some really nice ones. So that was James on the phone and he was telling me we might find it downstairs, but I've just come into this showroom and I kind of like what I'm seeing here. This yellow looks good, but it's plastic and I don't want plastic. Yeah, this gray looks really nice. I just sat on it and I like it. So I just sat on this black that is about $80 and this gray which costs a lot more, about $180. So now I have to choose between this and maybe this one. God, I didn't realize trying to find a chair could be so difficult. I've seen so many at this point and I don't even know which one to pick. So far I'm thinking I like how this swivel chair fits. It's $80 and I'll see what other options I have before getting this one.
Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within. So go ahead and just spin. Just spin for me. Won't you spin? Don't let the doubt in you win. I know you feel it within. So go ahead and just spin. Just spin for me. Won't you? I know it's hard for you to give it a try, but you are not alone. I'm here with you. I think you owe it to this beautiful night to lose all your control. Do it for you. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet.
Don't let the pair of things keep you from the bed of roses. Cool.
My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, I see you. the Lord. I pray to the Lord. Fatumata Jambele. Everything being safe again, everything for your Jambele. Oh, Jambele, oh, yeah. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me.
Hey guys, so we finally picked a chair. James has got to get a trolley so we can grab it. I'll show you guys when I start to use it when we're back home. But yeah, that was kind of fun. I saw so many things that I wanted, but yeah, I tried to stick to the plan and I just got the chair that I wanted.
I'm back in my bag, yo. Conscious. ISO. Diamond. Back in my bag and I gotta brag, I do this shit for real. When we was down and we had nothing, we had to share a meal. We put the shit in overdrive with no steering wheel. Shorty throw that thing back in a pair of heels. Yeah, she be riding on it.
Hi guys, so this is days later. The chair is finally done and I just wanted to quickly show you what it looks like. I'll probably do another video showing my study area next time. But this is the chair. I really like it. It's comfortable, it does the job, and it's not very fancy or anything, but it does the work. So yeah, that's all for my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Quick preview. I need to rearrange all the space. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.
Back in my bag and I gotta brag, I do this shit for real. When we was down and we had nothing, we had to share a meal. We put the shit in overdrive with no steering wheel. Shorty throw that thing back in a pair.